Welcome to this sample course from Action Training Systems. All of the learning objectives included in the full course are listed on screen. You will be shown a sample of these sections in this demo. A complete listing of our course content is available on our website.
Fire brigade members must be constantly aware of the limits of their protective clothing. In fact, overconfidence in the protective equipment has become a problem in recent years, contributing to brigade member injuries and deaths. Keep in mind that firefighting turnout gear is not designed for some hazardous material emergencies and very high radiant heat fires. In hazmat or terrorism incidents, certain chemicals will dissolve and deteriorate the outer fabric of turnout coats and pants, and some chemical gases can penetrate the seal of the SCBA facepiece. Incidents involving hazardous materials may require specially designed chemical suits that protect against the specific hazard of the incident. There are different NFPA standards that set requirements for these forms of protective clothing. For close proximity firefighting against high radiant heat fires, some fire brigade members are issued special proximity protective clothing. The proximity suit has a reflective outer covering to reflect radiant heat. Another special situation for fire brigade members is working in traffic. In these circumstances, an ANSI-compliant high visibility vest should be worn.
Thank you for choosing to view this demo program. For more information about the full line of over 200 course offerings available from Action Training Systems, visit our website at www.action-training.com or contact us at 1-800-755-1440, extension 3.